Okay, so I don't have levels here. Let's do ES first. We have these week highs. We definitely have these lows here. Definitely very bullish market so far. Okay, so we have this big level to watch on ES, the 16, 13, and then we pretty much have a bunch of wicks around all-time highs. Are we gonna go to all-time highs this week or next week? I will say this month, maybe? That will be insane. We're almost at all-time highs on ES. I'm looking for a push toward this resistance here, and then I'm gonna see how it's gonna react. Are we gonna use this resistance as support? If that happens, most likely we're gonna have something like this. If this resistance acts as resistance for NQ, we definitely have these week's highs here. That's my main resistance to watch. And then we have pre-market lows here as a little support. We have also here previous day's highs, 2600. Let's see how NQ is gonna react here. 2600 is a nice round number. NQ is having trouble at the morning pre-market highs, breaking those wicks here, breaking this resistance. Needs to hold a 60, 26060. That was a very, very clean reaction on NQ. That was perfect. Right at our levels. Look at how it reacted here, right at pre-market highs. I told you guys, most of the time when you have long wicks like that, the market likes to go and retest those highs. We had ES stronger than NQ. Now it's the other way around. Now we have NQ being stronger than ES. I like a possible break and retest here if we see better movement here. It's still very jumpy. I like this hold here. I'm gonna try it. I think as long as NQ holds here, I like it for more upside. Yeah, so far it's looking pretty good. So I added some micros because if we have a strong push, I want to sell my mini and then hold the micros. I'm selling my mini. I'm gonna hold my micros. This trade is now risk free, it's literally free. I locked my profits with the mini, micros, holding 4 runners. I feel like selling one, but the market looks so good that I don't want to miss a big move here. So far I have no reason to not hold at least a few runners. Whoa, okay, whoa. I'm selling some, taking advantage of that crazy candle. Holding only 2 runners. Let's go. And I'm all out. I like this trade. I like this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Yeah, I'm all out. Pretty much got what I wanted.